Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to take a look at simplifying rational expressions, lesson 2. We're going to remember the order that things are supposed to be done in. Number 1, we're going to factor both the numerator and denominator fully. Then we're going to reduce any factors that appear in both the numerator and the denominator. And 3, then we're going to state any restrictions on the variable so that no factors in the denominator equal 0 throughout the entire solution. That's going to be important. So here's our first one to do, and I've got some room over here for some rough work, so I'm going to start off with 2y over top of 2, two numbers that multiply to give 30, 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 4 does not go evenly, 5 and 6, 6 and 5. Which ones of these will go together to give me 1? 5 and 6. They multiply to give a negative, so one's positive, one's negative. They add to give a negative, so the larger one's negative. This 2 has got to reduce out, either out of here, or a bit out of both. You're going to be able to see that it comes out of here. Let's check it. 2y times y is 2y squared. Minus 6y plus 5y is negative y, negative 15. That is factored, so coming over here, 2y plus 5, y minus 3, over top of two numbers that multiply to give 21 and add to give 4. I'm thinking y plus 7 and y minus 3. Let's check. Y times y is y squared. Negative 3y plus 7y is positive 4y, negative 21. Notice how if I take a look at this, I have an a times a b over top of a c times a b. See, these two are the same. We can reduce them, leaving you with 2y plus 5 over y plus 7 as a final answer. Your restrictions, the easy one is y cannot equal negative 7. The harder one is to remember this one, and y cannot equal positive 3. Okay, so that's our first one done. Let's look at our next one. See how these look an awful lot alike? But they're not. If I do a little trick of common factoring out a negative 1, either from the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. So if I common factor a negative 1 out of the top, it becomes negative x plus 5. The bottom is 5 minus x. Brackets are your friends. These, if you look at them closely, you'll notice that they are the same. So it's 5 minus x over top of 5 minus x. We can reduce those. It leaves you with an answer of negative 1. With a restriction that x cannot equal 5. And again, I could have taken that negative 1 out of either the top or the bottom. The choice is yours. Over here, I'm looking at some common factoring on top. So 2x comes out, and it's going to be x minus 6. On the bottom, that's a difference of squares. Notice the number came first, then the variable. So the number, then the variable, the number, then the variable. Notice that these two are very similar, but not quite. I'm going to take a negative out of the top here. So 2x minus 1, negative x plus 6, over top of 6 minus x, 6 plus x. You'll notice that this and this are the same, just written differently. 2x minus 1, 6 minus x, over top of 6 minus x, 6 plus x. Let's reduce what we can, and it leaves us with a final answer of negative 2x over top of x plus 6. Yes, I changed how I wrote that. I didn't write it as 6 plus x. I changed it as x plus 6. The order of addition doesn't matter, so that's okay. Your restrictions are x cannot equal plus or minus 6. Okay, there's your homework. Good luck with that one, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.